drop halfway. Actually, I didn't drop halfway. Actually, because to be honest with you, when I love going different places, and yeah, I will share it to you guys. But it's not a good thing, okay? And my mom knows about it. My family knows about it. Cause this is what happened. This is what happened. Because there is a university that walking distance in our house. It's a walking distance university from our house. So my mom wanna transfer me to that university. So I find a course or a degree that they don't offer. You get my point? But it's a silly thing to do. So they don't offer mechanical engineering in that university. So